Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Office version and signing into your Microsoft account so settings sync across devices. Once done, update Office to get the latest theme options. This prevents missing controls. Next, open Word and go straight to File then Account. If you prefer preferences, choose File right arrow options, right arrow General to reach the personalization area. These first steps prepare Word so the theme switch works reliably and your preference persists. Now you change the theme inside Word. Go to File right arrow Account and pick Office Theme, black or dark gray. That flips the UI immediately. If you want the page itself dark, use Design right arrow page color right arrow black. Note that this is a visual change and can affect printing, so use with caution. For a comfortable reading experience, switch to Read mode from the View menu. This often inverts page colors and reduces contrast without altering the saved document. Finish by verifying a key option. Open File right arrow options, right arrow General and uncheck. Never change the document background, so the dark theme can affect page color. Once done, restart Word or sign out and back into Force settings to sync. Make sure Office is up to date. If you still see bright pages, confirm your OS dark mode and license sync. These can override or block theme changes. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the checkbox. Save, then restart Word to resolve most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.